speak more than 70% if you are not speaking. But now it is time to implement the knowledge that we have gained. Yes, how much percent do you speak English now? Already you all speak English, right? Journey starts here. Little bit you have started speaking, but gradually we will speak very fluent, right? So gradually this will be increased. All of a sudden nothing comes. What you are speaking today, maintain this average ratio of speaking. What if you don't speak whatever you have learned it for next 5 6 months? You will forget everything that you have learned. So please be in touch with the topics that you have learned. Please stay in touch with English speaking. If you stop speaking, then you will forget whatever you have learned. That 100% sure. Regularly, we all should speak regularly. Sir, I spoke today one word, tomorrow I will speak another. Sir, I spoke just 5 minutes today in English, tomorrow I will speak. See, every day 5 minutes will destroy you. Just 5 minutes if you are going, that will destroy you. We need more time for speaking in English. At least we all should speak how many hours, like we have 24 hours in a day. So in 24 hours, we always use Kannada language only. From morning, the moment we wake up, till the moment we go to bed, we just use Kannada language, Kannada language, Kannada language. If I ask you why do we use this Kannada language, you prefer to say that, sir, I don't have friend, sir, I don't have anybody, I don't have that environment. My brother speaks to me in Kannada. My friends all speak to me in Kannada. So the PG where I stay in, they all speak in Kannada. You might tell this, but saying this will not benefit you. We have to create something for ourselves, for improvement of ourselves. We have to either find a friend or we have to speak to our own self. But kindly reduce the language that you are speaking. Kindly increase the ratio of English language in your conversation. At least now it must be at 70% in a day. If you are speaking 100% in a day, 70% must be in English. 70% at least, or else 100% kindly go for it. If not, if I ask you now, yes, how much percent do you speak English now? 50%. With whom do you speak? ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಬ್ರದರ್ 50% ದಿನ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ 40% you speak. With whom you speak? You speak with Adi. Yes, you 20% do you speak. With whom do you speak? Roommates. Do all your roommates speak in English? Only one, and you only speak with that person. Okay. 20%. With whom do you speak? Your brother. Does your brother talk in English? Fluently does he talk? Little bit he speaks. Huh. Yes. With whom do you speak? You speak with, and you mentioned his name only. Huh. You speak on call. Okay. Okay, fine. So see here, ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮುಗಿತದ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Now you should keep challenges, you should keep tasks to yourself. What I'm trying to say you, kindly everybody at least start using more than 70% English. More than 70% English. Speak more than 70%. If you are not speaking, then you will never become fluent, or you will forget what you have learned. So decide today how much percentage that you are going to speak. You all are speaking now, even we have learned this, you all are speaking in Kannada language. You all are speaking in Kannada language. To shift from Kannada language to English language It is a time taking process, and already we have learned so many things. Now it is just to talk, use more than 70% with whomever you are going to talk. ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ 70% का ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನೈಟ್ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋವರೆಗೂ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನೈಟ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಮಾತಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ? ಕನ್ನಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ? ಡೈಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಾಸು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ. 90%? ಈಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ 90% ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ 10%. ಸೊ ನಾವು replace this. Use 90% English, 10% Kannada. Replace that. Will you do that? All will do. 100%. Chalo. Very good. If you do this. If you don't do this, again you will fall into that category of learner. Again, same thing has to be learned. After 2 months, after 3 months, same thing again you are going to learn. So to avoid learning the same things and the repetition of same things, kindly proceed the step ahead. You learned grammar, little bit the basics of grammar you learned. You know the vocabularies. You all know the vocabularies. You know the rules of grammar. You know the structures of grammar, how to frame the sentences. You know everything. But now it is time to implement the knowledge that we have gained. If you won't implement that, that becomes waste.